Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best cordless car vacuums on Amazon. There's nothing quite like a clean interior. Even a fine-running engine feels robbed of its glory when the interior is long overdue for a good cleaning. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Bissell Automate Lithium-Ion Car Vacuum. When it comes to the best overall combination between reliability, functionality, long-lasting battery power, and user-friendliness, my top overall pick has to be the Bissell Automate Lithium-Ion Car Vacuum. This compact unit offers excellent suction power and long battery life thanks to its 14-volt lithium-ion battery. It also features several useful tools that are ideal for cleaning inside your ride, including an LED-lit crevice tool, a motorized brush tool, and a flexible crevice tool for those tight, hard-to-reach spots. This model also comes equipped with a decently sized dirt cup with 0.7 liters of capacity, as well as a triple-level filtration system. Weighing in at only 3 pounds, it's a sleek, lightweight option that does a great job at removing pet hair, food debris, sand, dirt, and much more. What we like about it: great auto-specific tools. Strong suction power. Good for home and RV use also. What we don't like about it: battery takes a long time to recharge. No backup plug-in function. Number 2. Bissell AeroSlim Lithium-Ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum. If you're looking for a great budget-friendly pick that's ideal for small, quick cleanups, check out the Bissell AeroSlim Lithium-Ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum. It's a super compact and lightweight option that you can easily store in your car or home. This unit features a 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery that recharges quickly. It has a cleverly designed 2-in-1 crevice tool dust brush that reaches those tight spots in the car with ease. A handy battery indicator light lets you know when it's time to recharge. Recharging can be conveniently done via the included USB cable. Just plug it into your car charger, wall, or even your computer. This unit is also super lightweight. At only 1.37 pounds, you can use it without fatigue. What we like about it: sleek, space-saving design. Affordable. Multiple charging options. What we don't like about it: very short battery life. Small dust cup capacity. Number 3. Shark Cordless Ultracyclone Pro Plus Handheld Vacuum. The Shark Cordless Ultracyclone Pro Plus Handheld Vacuum gets a nod for being a highly powerful yet lightweight handheld cordless vacuum that's ideal for your vehicle. It features a powerful 80-watt brushless motor and a rugged self-cleaning brush roll that efficiently removes pet hair and fluff from your car's upholstery. It also comes with 2 other attachments that are great for your car's floors and leather. I like the larger 0.43-liter dust cup that empties with just a push of a button. No need to get your hands dirty. This model weighs less than 3 pounds and is easy to use. The drawback? Again, it comes down to battery life. With roughly 10 minutes of operating time, this vacuum won't clean your whole car in one go. What we like about it: super suction power. Motorized rotating brush head is great for pet hair. Plenty of attachments for a variety of jobs. What we don't like about it: pricey. Docking station not included. Number 4. Thigh Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. For getting into those really tight and hard-to-reach spaces that almost all vehicles seem to have, the Thigh Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is my pick to click. It's a reasonably priced option that comes equipped with extra long attachments that make getting those chip crumbs down beside your car seat and underneath it a breeze. In fact, you get 3 different nozzles: a crevice tool, a short rubber nozzle, and a retractable brush nozzle, making this one of the most versatile choices on the list. The 0.4-liter dust cup is pretty standard on this size of vacuum, and it also comes with a handy brush that lets you easily remove stubborn dust or debris from the cup. I like that this unit offers 2 different levels of suction power. 8,000 pascals for regular jobs or 13,000 pascals for those times you need serious suction. What we like about it: 2 suction powers. Longer run time than some. Multiple attachments. What we don't like about it: pricey. Docking station not included. Number 5. Dual 20V Max Wet Dry Cordless Vacuum. For serious messes and working vehicles that require major cleaning power, I like the Dual 20V Max Wet Dry Cordless Vacuum. This rugged and heavy-duty option makes short work of wet or dry messes and packs a punch when it comes to suction power. It comes equipped with a fully integrated crush-resistant durable 5-foot hose that you can attach a variety of accessory tools to. What we like about it: can be used for wet or dry messes. Long run time. Large 7.6-liter tank capacity. What we don't like about it: expensive. Battery and charger sold separately. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.